Having trouble with Windows 11's error code 0xc0000135? Here are 5 solutions to address this problem and restore system functionality. Directly begin to write Troubleshoot after clicking on the Windows Start icon. Now, click Troubleshoot in the same search results to open that up. Now, tap Other Troubleshooters to open it. As this 0xc0000135 is related to the app, locate the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Click Run to initiate the troubleshooting. Wait until it scans, identify the issue with the particular program, and solve it. This is a very simple process, so write WS Reset. Then tap WS Reset, run the Windows Store reset code. Directly open a Run dialog box, simultaneously pressing the Windows and the R key. Then type down this word in the blank box. Click OK to directly open Optional Features. Optional Features. Find the .NET Framework 3.5. Includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Check that box. Now scroll down through the same page and look for these 2 features. Windows Communication Foundation HTTP Activation, Windows Communication Foundation Non-HTTP Activation. Then click OK to activate all these features. Click the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type CMD. Right-tap Command Prompt and tap Run as Administrator on the drop-down menu. We are going to use DISM to enable the .NET and HTTP activation feature for all users. So paste these commands and use the Enter key to run it. Once you have enabled all these features, go ahead and exit the terminal. Then restart your computer. Directly begin to write Troubleshoot after clicking on the Windows Start icon. Now, click Troubleshoot in the same search results to open that up. Now, tap Other Troubleshooters to open it. As this 0xc0000135 is related to the app, locate the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Click Run to initiate the troubleshooting. Using the Win+X shortcut keys, call upon the Power User menu. Then, tap the first option, Installed Apps, in the elevated panel. Now just identify the application and uninstall it from your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.